Crypto Insane back again with another video. But before I start, I'm not a financial advisor, financial dependent or financial consultant. The information I display in my videos are for informational purposes. This is my journey. Anything you decide should be based on your own research. Okay guys, I am back. I know it's been some time now that I have made a video, but it's just been so busy. So I'm going to try to make more videos more often on this market. We're back into the bull cycle as it stands here. 2021 is definitely going to be a big year. Even last year, 2020, was a fantastic year in cryptocurrency, and you know, so much has changed in this market in the last few months and within the last year really. I mean, we've had so much different aspects of things changing in terms of, you know, crypto evolving. You know, you would have heard of things like DeFi, you know, DeFi on Ethereum, DeFi on Tron blockchain. As you know, I've made a lot of videos previously on some of these platforms and the space, but you know, this time as it evolves and we're going up, I look to make more different videos on different things, what I am doing to try and accumulate as much crypto as possible as we stand in this, you know, this funny environment, this you know, this pandemic that we're in as well. A lot of money is being pumped into the market, you know, from the big players, you know, as a safe bet as we come. But yeah, let's just go straight into it today here. I want to go straight to CoinGecko, where we can see the price of Bitcoin now, currently trading at the time of making this video, $40,600 for BTC. You can imagine that last year we was at about $4,000 at the bottom when this sort of pandemic has hit, and now we've hit these levels of I think we went to 41,000 and something. We're at all-time highs basically. We've surpassed 20,000 that was previous in the last bull run, in the last one, September, I mean, this 2017/18, yeah, that sort of bull cycle. But yeah, a lot has happened. If we check the prices though, we've got ETH now at $1,330. I mean, it's understandable why this is obviously gone up as well. I mean, people are saying this is undervalued. There's a lot of things happening with ETH, especially with DeFi, a lot in the space, so this is definitely undoubtedly undervalued. Tether would always increase in market cap. It's only a matter of time really. The amount of exchanges that are trading with Tether now, and also decentralized exchanges using these things. So this is something big here with Tether. It can only increase in a matter of time. And we've got some of these other coins. Ripple, recently there's been some news, you probably hear about it already if you've been in crypto. If not, they've got some kind of in progress with the SEC has kind of asked for them or come after them for the time being. So that is kind of pending, but you know, with this crypto here, XRP, you always believe that maybe it's a lot of FUD going around, and maybe this might be one to look for. So this, we've got Litecoin as well. Look, we're at $178. Bitcoin Cash has moved all of a sudden. Didn't seem to move in the last couple of weeks and months. It's starting to move itself now. Cardano, Polkadot, which is quite new ecosystem here. Chainlink, the price oracles, and yeah, and the top, and Stellar, which is moving as well. But as you can see, you know, if you have a look at the market cap here, we're at trillion now. We're above $1 trillion, and you know, it only looks to rise, you know, and we've got the BTC dominance at about 67% of the market. Now this is heavily, you know, dependent upon well, the altcoins are heavily dependent upon BTC. You know, as BTC goes up, the alts do get brought up in USD value. It's kind of a storm. So, you know, when people invest in Bitcoin and you look at the USD values, but it's important to note that, you know, in this market, because nearly everything trades in Bitcoin, you know, the altcoins will have its time when Bitcoin is selling off, because people move their Bitcoin into, you know, their alts. That's what they do. That's what was happening in 2017. It's happening now, but, you know, very, very slowly. I mean, if you have a look at some of the, you know, charts, if you are into charting, or if you have a look at the previous history, which you can do on CoinGecko, and the historical history on CoinMarketCap, you can see a lot of this. We're having a lot of green days now. I mean, even this is the top 10. We're going down now, you know, to everything is more or less green, you know. And some of these new coins are the coins to look out for, because you know, these coins going into this cycle now do not have sort of like holders from the last cycle, so price discovery will be very you know, things will go very high. So we can use sort of example of some of these coins like Polkadot. It wasn't really known in the last cycle. We've already gone up now so much. If we have a look at the graph here, we see, we go to the max, you know, this was at nearly just over $2, and now we're at nearly $10, you know. And this was in August. You know, this is just an example of what, you know, what can happen in a bull, you know, the bull run. I would not discount though some of these old coins. As we can see, Ethereum is nearly at all-time high here. Bitcoin is hit at all-time high. Ripple is a hard one right now. There's a lot of investigation, but I believe this will move big. You know, there's a lot of people in there, and you know, even coins like Litecoin, you know, moving. Bitcoin Cash, Cardano, a lot coming up in the stream. But you know, some of these DeFi coins here, you know, are moving as well, and they have moved big time. SNX in the synthetic tokens is a big one. Aave, that's moved, and even the likes of the old timers now, Neo, they seem to be moving slowly. But I think once people are aware of things, and you know, more things are adopted, some of these coins, they're going to go up big time. And undoubtedly, I can't and have to talk about Uniswap. Uniswap has done favors to me and a lot of people in the community. You know, it's a decentralized exchange. If you don't know about decentralized exchanges, there's a lot about it. You can click on their information and go onto their website. They've done airdrops, which was very, very good to myself. They've airdropped a number of coins, so there is a lot going on in this market, and I am definitely gonna make more videos on what I'm doing in certain ecosystems like Ethereum in the DeFi space, Tron. I'm still in Tron as well. They're doing DeFi as well, and undoubtedly some of these platforms. Yeah, so that is the update. I am back going into this bull cycle, and it's going to be big. Peace.